Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, the exact endpoint, auth type, and response format so you avoid guesswork. Next, build a minimal request with proper headers and the right HTTP method. Use curl or postman to send a quick test. Once you see a 200 response, inspect headers and the body to verify schema and fields. Make sure to set a reasonable timeout and handle non-200 codes immediately. This gets you into the flow without wasting time on irrelevant setup. Once done with the initial request, implement the proper authentication flow so requests are authorized consistently. Refresh tokens automatically if needed. Then focus on handling the response. Check status codes and log full responses for debugging. Parse and validate the payload against your model, converting types and dealing with missing fields or unexpected nulls. Make sure to wrap parsing in try/catch and add retries for transient failures, because resilient parsing prevents crashes and keeps the rest of your pipeline stable. You finish by persisting validated data to your database or cache, choosing upsert or append based on idempotency. Then add retry logic with exponential backoff and a circuit breaker to avoid hammering a failing server. Also instrument requests with metrics, logs, and request ID so you can trace issues end to end. If something goes wrong, check status codes and logs first. A single key troubleshooting tip. Verify auth and request headers because most failures stem from incorrect
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.